So guys, my name is Samuel Wiyemi. Welcome to H-QTV on YouTube, and if you are watching my video for the first time, please make sure that you subscribe, hit the post notification, turn it on, and make sure that you like this video, share this video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a tonkeeper wallet for those that don't know how to set it up. So that's what I'm going to do in this video. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Google Play Store. I'm going to search for tonkeeper wallet. So guys, there's a lot of ton wallet, and the one that I'm using right now is tonkeeper wallet. So guys, after you install it, you are going to click on open. So guys, you are going to click on open. So after you open it, now it's going to load. So let's wait for it to load. So after it's bring this page for you, what you are going to click on, you are going to create a new wallet. So let's click on that now, and you are going to create a passcode, 4-digit passcode. So guys, now we are going to enter the passcode. Then let's wait for it to load. You can see we are going to enable the notifications, and we are going to allow the notification. So guys, this is how you are going to set up a tonkeeper wallet, and what you are going to do is for you to back up the wallet recovery phrase. So that's very important, and make sure that you write it somewhere. So guys, after you click on recovery phase, so it's going to bring it for you. So make sure that you write it in a safe place, and you can back it up to your Google Drive, so that's going to be safe. You can write it somewhere, and make sure that anybody did not have access to your recovery phrase. And this is how you are going to set it up for maybe Hamster Combat Tab, Swap, YesCoin, Cartisan, Dotcoin, Wcoin, Pixeta by Pixel Fast, on everything on Telegram. So this is how you are going to set it up, and make sure that you just go to it and connect your wallets. So by that, you have set up a tonkeeper wallet for Telegram mining. So guys, this is how you are going to set it up, and I hope if this video help, can subscribe, turn on your bell notification, like this video, and share this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.